It's the month of February, and here at Family Chiropractic, we know what February means. It's the month of love. How do we show love at Family Chiropractic? We show it the best way we know how, through the adjustment. We love to adjust our patients, and we love to adjust the doctors. One of the things Dr. Lauren told us was that when she was in chiropractic school, the other students, while they were learning how to adjust, did not love working on her. We just can't imagine why. Watch. So, Dr. Lauren, say hi to everybody. Hi! We're going to get you adjusted. And is there anything going on that I need to know about today? You've been shoveling,
yes.
You've been working in the yard.
Yes, I've been shoveling. I'm recovering from that. Mostly my mid-back, going up to my neck a little bit. Other than that, I'm pretty good.
Awesome. Go ahead onto your belly.
Alrighty.
So Dr. Lauren loves getting adjusted and has been getting adjusted for how many years?
For about 10 years.
About 10 years.
Yeah.
One of the things that I love about adjusting Dr. Lauren is that when she gets adjusted, she has an impulsive giggle that just comes out. We have to be careful. When we adjust her. It's kind of fun if we have patients in the reception room, but for the most part, come on up on this side.
Oh, man.
Facing me. Oh, we wait until we're alone, and then we can get her adjusted, because one of the things onto your other side that happens with the adjustment is this great giggle, this great laugh that is on your back. And she's always done this since she first started getting adjusted.
I can't help it.
She just can't help it. There's a giggle that comes out.
I love it so much.
But it happens just innately.
Yeah.
You're not saying, oh, now I'm going to laugh.
Yeah.
We've had some patients that have cried during an adjustment. Just a release. But the giggle, Dr. Lauren takes the cake.